So you move here, then you can be young. So we're at the end of this cul-de-sac here, and the farmer keeps this mowed. Obviously not like a golf course, but when it's time for hay, he comes and he mows that a couple times a year. Got a neighbor back there with a big yard. The yard only comes to right about here, just past these railroad ties, but it goes all the way back. It's pretty deep, and then it goes down to that post, which is all the way down there, which I will show you. Now, here's the deal. I don't know everything about real estate, but I've got 38 years experience, so I can tell you a little something. Everybody wants these tiny houses. You know, it's very trendy. It's cool and it's cute. But if you're looking to save money, that's not where you're at, because you're talking about what, 400 square feet, 300 square feet, 400 square feet. They're getting $100,000 for some of these things. You're looking at 60, 70, 80, $100,000 for these little things, and they're on a trailer. What happens when the trailer rusts or when the brakes go out or whatever? If you're not going to move them, that's fine, but still, those trailers will rust. They're just really thin gauge. They're only meant to carry so much weight. So anyway, I think it's cool. I think it's cute. I think it's trendy, but it's not sustainable, in my opinion. 24 by 24 barn. It's poured concrete. I'll show you in there. He's got a couple toys. This is 1,024, so that's what all the tiny house jibber jabber was all about. 1,024 square feet. You got your own land, and this will actually go up in value. These are very simple design, simple and elegant. In other words, no space wasted. Property goes all the way back to that shed way in the back, way back in there. These homes will go up in value. They always have. 2003, I believe this was built, and I will put it down here if I am incorrect. I believe it was built in 2003. Yep, that was it, 2003. See, I'm cheating here. I got the thing from Hunter. So water's about $40 a month. Electric is $180 to $200 a month all year round. They've got Kudu Internet, which is this area's version of KYY is what we have. It is not satellite. So you can rest assured that Big Daddy here would not have satellite. We've had that. We've played that game. Not a good choice for us. There is the internet dish. That's what they got, a little tiny dish on there. That's what works, and it works great, I'm telling you. This is line of sight, so there's no latency. Okay, so where in the heck is this place anyway? Well, it's about 4 or 5 miles from Walmart Supercenter, a regional medical center. You got a cute downtown in Stanford. I'll try to put a picture here. Regional Medical Center. You go up this way, 4 to 6 miles. And by the way, the schools are really close by, maybe 2 miles. Go up here, 4 or 6 miles, make a right, and 6 miles you're at Cedar Creek Lake, 800-acre fishing lake. It's fantastic. I'll put a picture right here. And if you go this way, it's about 35 minutes to Lake Cumberland. That's where a lot of people go for the weekend. 64,000-acre lake, that's that way. You go here 4 to 6 miles to Stanford, another 35 minutes or so to Lexington. Lexington's a real city, 300,000-400,000. So you're not in the middle of nowhere. Danville, our office, is just up here, and then you make a right, or a left rather. You make a left, and you're like 8 or 9 miles. So great place to live, great place to raise family. We absolutely love it here, and I hope you will too. Come join us. Water heater was replaced in 2014. The deck was built in 2017. The shed in the back is 12 by 16. I'll put all this stuff on the screen here. But anyway, got nice privacy. Again, cul-de-sac, you know what that means. Come on, squint. There is also a wood stove out in the she shed, man cave, family hangout, whatever, the 24 by 24 barn that's adjacent. I don't know if that goes with it or not, but Hunter can negotiate that for you maybe. So just give him a call. His phone number is right there. Plenty of cabinets. You get more than this in cabinets, and what are you going to do with all the stuff? You got stuff you don't even use. Ask me how I know. Oh, let me show you the mudroom while we're here. I don't know if any of this stuff conveys or not, but the HVAC looks fairly new. I don't know if that's been an updated upgrade or not. Water heater is. So I'll ask Hunter and find out. I'm going to show you the pool. It's got a pool. Yay! Hot summer day like today, I could really use a pool. And maybe a little ice cold Corona. Do you know they have coconut and lime flavored Corona? Well, that was random. Okay, bedroom number 1. It's all vinyl or pergo or some kind of a laminate flooring. So bedroom number 1, the bath. I believe this is the master bath because there's only one. Therefore, it is the master bath. You can call it whatever you want, though. I promise you that. And this is a big door. Haha, whoa! It's an avalanche. Avalanche zone. And then we have the abbreviated bedroom. This one is compact. But that's okay. You put your weird Uncle Harold in there. Don't like him anyway. He's so weird. And of course, the master bedroom. Let's see what's in here. These are like full 36-inch doors on these closets. Like, what in the world? I've never seen that before. Yeah, that's a full 36-inch door. Cool. All right, I promised to take you out to the rear deck. Oh, yeah. Okay, so now here. How do we pay for this house? First of all, the payments are only going to be like $500-600 a month on this house anyway. With a brand new mortgage, we can get you hooked up with our mortgage broker. They can get you great deals. They have very low fees, and you know, if you have a bank, great. If you're paying cash, that's even better. But we can get you a really, really decent, low interest loan with little to nothing down. So this is the whole yard, right? So all the way out to that cyclone fence, the chain link, and then wood on the sides. Nice. I mean, really, it's a big yard. Half an acre, 0.44. So just shy of a half an acre. This pool is an 18-foot, and I believe it's 52 inches deep. I didn't jump in it yet, but I'm almost close to 18 feet. But the pump is rated for like 33-foot pool. Okay, how do I pay for the house, Brad? You got steps here. You need to make your house your oasis. That's what we did at our house. We have saved so much money traveling because you get a little stir crazy with the same four walls. And then you go and you go on vacation and you spend $1,000 or $2,000 or more for just a weekend getaway. And you got to drive there and all that stuff. And it's fun. You got to travel. Travel is so important. And you got to get away. But instead of trying to get away every night or trying to go out to dinner every night, why not get yourself a grill, get a nice Weber kettle. Little plug there for Weber. I wish they were paying me. But I've got 3 Weber kettles on my porch, and we cook at home a lot because we hang out, right? Pour a glass of wine, ice cold beer, iced tea, whatever your favorite thing is. I must be getting hungry because I'm talking about food. And you make your house your oasis, and you don't need to run away from everything. So that's how you pay for the house. Because I'll tell you, it doesn't take long before you're spending $500, $600, $800 a month on going out to dinner. You agree? I'm talking to you. I know I am. I know it. Well, there you go. 157. Call up Hunter and say, hey, I want to get in 157. I want that house. Or if it's sold, I want a house just like it. You got anything nearby? Oh, wait. I almost messed up. Like I don't ever mess up. I got to show you the garage. All right, here we go. Ready? Live to ride. Okay, don't make fun of this guy. His garage is a lot cleaner than mine. I can tell you that. Well, here you go. A couple workbenches or bars or whatever, bar stools, TV, a couple weird chairs. Okay, no, I'm not judging. The size of the boys, the size of the toys. How does that work? How does that old saying go? There's a wood stove. He doesn't even have it hooked up, so I don't know whether he's going to take it or you got to get Hunter to negotiate it for you. Got a drum set. Drum sets belong outside. Our kids got drum sets in the basement. I don't mind listening to it sometimes. Anyway, 24 by 24 poured concrete, so you got no dust, so you can have your toys here, and there's plenty of room in this rascal. All right, now it's official. We are done. Call us. Phone number's there. If it's not right for you, perfect. Go to this website and tell us what your perfect property looks like. And what we're going to do is we're going to ask you like 5 things. What do you want to spend? How much land do you want? The minimum acreage? Do you need a barn? And how soon are you looking to buy? So that's about it. And we get your email address. That's it. We're small. We're just family company. We're not going to give your email away to some Russian political campaign or something like that. Just a joke. We do that. No, I'm only kidding. So, oh my God. It's been a long day. And that way we know what to send you that matches your exact criteria. $160 for taxes and insurance about. Not too bad, not too shabby. And you got a real house that goes up in value. Well, this is your 08. Okay. So you move here, then you can be young. All right, so the jokes don't get any better. I think someone's getting murdered over there. They got little kids. Oh my God. The taxes on this place are going to be about $1,000, $1,200 a month. A month. Yeah, there you go. That's a selling point. Oh no, that's California and New Jersey, where I used to live. $1,000 or $1,200 a year, so about $100 a month for taxes. Insurance is going to be, I don't know what, $60, 70, 55, $60 a month. So $160 a month you can live. I can't wait to see your comments below. Like and subscribe because we've got a number of properties coming on the market that you're going to want to see. Don't forget to go to our website, bluegrassteam.com/blog for the latest properties we have.